Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling the Now bar and placing Samsung Notes where you can reach it fast. Open Settings, enable the Edge or Now bar, then add the Samsung Notes shortcut so it appears instantly. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Samsung account to enable syncing and backups. This prevents data loss and keeps content on other devices. Now open the Now bar, tap the Samsung Notes icon, and you're ready to create a new note without leaving your current app. You'll create your note directly from the Now bar. Tap New Note, then pick text, handwriting, or record a quick voice memo. Use the pen tools to set thickness and color. These controls let you emphasize ideas faster. Once done with a draft, use Lasso Select to move or resize handwriting and insert images or attachments if you need visual context. Make sure to use the autosave indicator. This confirms the note synced. This keeps edits safe while you continue multitasking. You'll finish by organizing and syncing. Move notes into folders and add tags so you can find them later. Once organized, enable auto sync to push changes to Samsung Cloud and export critical pages as PDFs for sharing. If the Now bar won't open or Notes doesn't respond, restart the Now bar or the device and clear the app cache. This often fixes hiccups quickly. If syncing still fails, sign out and back into your Samsung account to refresh connections and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.